Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Surfers, and this is the pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott Wave theory. So before we get into today's analysis, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully each and every line what I had written. So let's move on to the SGX Nifty. So today it didn't what I expected, that 16,190. So one second, I just explained to one of my student about the Nifty. So here what I expecting, that 23.6 level for this third wave, and this is that 16,190 to 16,200 it reached already. Now it is bouncing and it is looking like a 1-5 structure. It is completed here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that it bounced. So whether this is that 5 structures, the new 5 structures for the bearish, or this is the expanded flat like that, and we are in that fifth way to make a 16,400 to 500 level. So from here, whether this could be an wave 1, wave 2, so wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, or this is the end of the third wave. Still we are in that fourth, now it's just completed, and still this is the end of the fifth wave. So that is the question mark here, because it's a fresh 5 structure. It could be an expanded flat for the fourth wave, and one more high is also possible. Otherwise, the one thing, it could already ended here itself, the previous. This could be, because every time I'm struggling with that, whether I come to a conclusion whether this is the end of this is the fourth wave, so fifth word is one more high is also possible, but sometimes it's already completed. I struggled with a lot of times like this kind of wave formation, because it's also clearly seen the wave 1, wave 2, so wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5 in the diagonal formation. It could be ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a 3, so ABC is a 4 and one more ABC is a 5. It's a completion of that diagonal pattern in the fifth wave. So I'm expecting for this fifth wave, if I took the trade and again it may not achieve that zone, it will immediately decline from here itself without breaking this high. So only what I'm suggesting is, if it cross above this also, it cannot sustain that above that 16,450, and immediately I'm expecting a fall. So that means that is the end of the trend. So nearly from here it is 200 points, and again I'm looking for that bigger fourth wave here. For this fourth wave, 1, 2, so 3 here, so I'm expecting the fourth. One second, I think I will delete all those things. It's a little bit confusion also. Yeah, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is my new analysis, as I said in the Friday. But sometimes what I expected in the previous, this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4 and 5 is already completed. Means, see, if you zoom in that 4 hour or 1 hour, it is looking like always be a one more high is also possible, one more high is also possible. But if you look in this daily time frame, look at this. This is a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. We can complete it like that also in that daily. But if you zoom in, then only we come to a conclusion whether, okay, let's see, one more high is also possible. So whether it is possible or not, but we are in that final stage, be careful. So I'm looking this as a wave 1, this as a wave 2, this as a wave 3, one more 3-way structures to the downside to retest this broken zone of major resistance zone of 15,975. Now it may act as a support, and one more high is also possible for the fifth wave. That is my new analysis as I said in the Friday. So whether it is going to make like this, or if any news, as it's already something news is came and gold dropped already $80 and again it bounced for the $60. So some news will affect the market because we are in that final wave. Market needs news to fail and big players need. That is the reason. So whether 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and previous I marked this as a third wave and this as a fourth wave and one more 5-way structure is happened, it's already did. But later onwards, what I expected according to the fib retracements, whether this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4 is in this kind of 4 and this is the end of the 5 of third. So after this I'm expecting that broken zone may retested for that bigger fourth wave, this fourth wave, and one more wave, 3-way structures for the consolidations here, and it may bounce to that 16,700 to 16,800. Maybe it could be a 17,000 also approximately from here. This wavelength of 1 to that wavelength for the rejection in the 4. If we kept this, that 786 is around 16,900 and one length is 17,137. That is why I projected this as a target, but I just projected only. But this is the end of the trend, means market will break this channel, this bullish channel, and then again it may come down also for that aggressive bearish trend also. So trading here, expecting this one, it's a nearly 500 points is there. Expecting this, we are taking risk here. I won't accept that. So whether we need to a conclusion only if it breaks the high only we need to buy, and immediately after that 5-way structures we need to exit. So the two possibilities now. One is from here it can make a one more high for the 5th wave. So that could be end of the third, and again I'm expecting the 3-way structures for that 4th wave and the bounce. Or else this is the end of this 3rd wave. This could be the end of the trade wave, the Friday high, and again we may expected this broken zone may retested again as a support, and one more high is also possible. And the final one is any news is it's all reversed in the daily time frame. It looks like a 5-way structures, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We sometimes market will fail aggressively, that we come to a conclusion. But these kind of waves, it looks like a one more high, but it may not break this high, and again it may fail and retested and bounce. After that it is not so aggressive in the bullish side. If the sellers is so aggressive, means it may break this also and this channel also. So this is my conclusion. And how I trade means I won't trade the Nifty futures, that you know very well, but only if it breaks the high only there is a lot of chances for making up this 3rd wave. After that we have to expect that wave structure, and then we can come to a conclusion. So far today Nifty, see this is in the daily, it looks a doji, right, is the indecision. So we may expect one more consolidation, or it may give that what I expected, that 15,950 may retested and again it may bounce also. So let's wait for that, and you hope I enjoyed my video for the pre-market. So let's see, we will see you on that tomorrow morning for the pre-market predictions. So have a nice day.